This Leek Rustic pie is not only easy to make but delicious too. It needs just a few simple ingredients and it comes together beautifully. Let's make it.